Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. How are you? I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to show you how I created this beautiful stunning Lipan art plate using traditional techniques with a modern twist. Guys, if I talk about the material preparation, so you will need a round MDF base, white clay, acrylic paints, flat backed mirrors, glue, dotting tools and a palette. Make sure your MDF base is clean and lightly sanded. This helps the clay and paint adhere better. Whether you are a beginner or just exploring new art styles, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, from preparing the base to applying clay and adding those beautiful mirrors details. If I talk about how I prepared surface preparation and clay application, mix your white clay properly. I used Fevicryl molded clay. It should be soft and smooth, not sticky. Roll it into thin coils or drops, then gently press the clay onto your base in concentric circles or your desired pattern. Use tools or your fingers to even it out. When the base was ready, I applied gesso in 2 coats to make the base strong and steady. If you are going to make a Lipan art in mandala design or in any other design, you can draw your design with a pencil or dotting tool. In my design, I have used a radial mandala-style pattern. Keep your shapes symmetrical and consistent. This is key to making your artwork visually pleasing. Once the clay will be dry, I started painting the design. As you can observe that I am making the evil eye designed Lipan art. So I used shades of blue, white and turquoise for a vibrant contrast. Use fine brushes for detailed areas. If needed, layer the paint twice for richer color. Evil eye color combination is very amazing. So that's why I used these color combination a lot of time. Let's complete the painting part. It's already going to complete the painting process. After that, I'll paint the clay with white color so that it will look perfect. It's totally up to your choice if you want to color these clay drops with any another color or according to your design. I want to tell you that this is my first Lipan art, and if you are very much experienced with this kind of art, please let me know the suggestions also so that I can improve my Lipan art as well. Now for the mirrors, apply a drop of fabric glue or Fevicol where you want each mirror and press it down gently. I'm using Fevicol. I don't have the fabric glue, that's why, and Fevicol is also doing a good job. Make sure mirrors are equally spaced. Don't press too hard or clay might crack. I was not able to show the varnish or sealing part in this video, so that's why I didn't show you, but I can suggest that please you can varnish your product or seal your product before pasting the mirrors, because after pasting the mirrors you can't apply varnish properly or mirrors can also destroy. So that's why when you complete the painting process, then please after 24 hours do the varnish process or sealing your artwork. After that you can go for the mirror process. As you know that varnish is used to seal the artwork and protect it from dust or damage. This also gives a nice sheen to your piece and enhances the mirror reflections. As I told you that I did this Lipan art for the first time, and I faced a lot of problems and faced a lot of mistakes. So most of the 3 mistakes I did, that I didn't know that clay cracks after drying. Your clay was too dry or applied too thick. Keep it moist and apply it in thin layers. So after mixing the both of the clays, that it can be used for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that it will get dry or hard. If you are facing like problems that mirrors fall off, so please use good quality glue and press gently without disturbing the clay. And if you are facing paint bleeding, then let each layer dry before applying the next. Use less water in your paint mix. I hope you get to know, and if you have other questions or other problems, so that please let me know in the comments. I'll try to clear your doubts or clear your queries as well. After that I'll do the dot mandala in the empty space or in the open space. I'm using all the 3 colors similar to the before, so you can do it according to your choice. It's totally optional if you want to use this dot mandala process in this or not. I did because I felt that there is a lot of open space or empty space which is looking something missing and all, so that's why I used dot mandala in it. So I hope you have subscribed my channel, and guys please, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. Let me know in the comments what design you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Indian art tutorials like Mandala art, Lipan art, Varli art and Madhubani art. I hope you have learned about the Lipan art techniques, tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.